When a company decides to raise money by offering shares to the public, there's a crucial document every investor should know about: the prospectus. This legal document is designed to give potential investors a clear and honest picture of the business, helping them make informed decisions before committing their money. So, what exactly is a prospectus? It's a comprehensive document that outlines key details about the company, its operations, and the investment opportunity. You'll typically find information about the company's business model, financial performance, future growth plans, and the structure of its management team. Importantly, it also highlights the risks involved in investing, so investors understand both the potential rewards and the possible downsides. A prospectus isn't just a marketing brochure. Because it's a legal requirement, companies must ensure that everything in it is accurate and not misleading. In Australia, for example, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC, regulates prospectuses to protect investors and maintain transparency in the market. To see how a prospectus works in practice, consider the example of Xero, a cloud-based accounting software company. When Xero went public in 2007, it issued a prospectus as part of its listing on the New Zealand and Australian stock exchanges. The document explained Xero's innovative approach to delivering accounting software through the cloud, its subscription-based revenue model, and its plans for international growth. It also outlined the risks, such as competition in the software industry and the challenges of expanding globally. For investors, the prospectus is a valuable tool. It allows them to assess whether the company's goals and risk profile match their own investment strategy. For companies, issuing a prospectus builds trust and credibility by showing a commitment to transparency. In summary, a prospectus is essential for anyone considering investing in a company's shares. It provides the information needed to make smart, informed decisions and helps keep financial markets fair and transparent.